Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Maria for those of you who are new here. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I promise you won't regret it. So for today's video, obviously from the colors you guys can tell, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this holiday inspired makeup look. I am so happy with the way it turned out. The colors just A1. So if you guys like this look and you guys want to see how I accomplished it and you guys want a little bit of inspiration, go ahead and keep watching. See you guys in just a second. So for eyeshadow, I am going to be using the Tribe by Juvia's. These colors are seriously so cute. If you mix Tootsie and Sand, it makes like a darker green. So that's what I'm gonna do on my eyes today. So I'm just gonna be grabbing that green and blending that right at the crease of my eye. I'm trying to keep the green away from my brow bone, but just keeping it on my crease. If it gets down here a little bit, that's totally fine. I'm going to go in a few times just to get the green color all based out. So if you have to go back in and add a little bit more, that's fine. So I really want to focus having green in this part of my eye. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's extra green right there because that's gonna be where the green's really gonna pop. So I'm not really so worried about my outer crease, just the inner. Now that I have the green nice and set, I'm going to go back with that same brush and just grab a little bit of that blue. Go over the same part you just went over. Like I said, do not put a lot of blue in your eye because it might overpower it, and I'm just trying to get it to look a little bit more darker green. Okay, so this is the difference once you add the blue. I'm gonna go back again, just tap a little bit of the blue onto your brush and then just go over the green once again. This is like one of my first times ever doing a look that requires like greens and blues, and definitely out of my comfort zone, but it's also really good to get out of your comfort zone when it comes to makeup because then you get tired of your makeup and you don't ever really improve. Once I find something I like, I just like use it all the time. Awesome. So now that I mixed those two and got a little bit of a darker green on my lid, I'm gonna go back and I'm going to conceal this part of my eye. So from like here up until like right here. Basically all of my eye I'm gonna conceal, not the outer. So using your favorite concealer, outline your lid. So it should look like this once you add the concealer. Note how there's not much in the end, that's fine. I'm gonna add a different color right there, so I don't really want the concealer to mix in with that color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that on my other eye. So now that I concealed, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just tap that in. And I really want to tighten my eye, so I'm just gonna pull back a little bit. I know a lot of people don't like doing that, so that's fine if you don't want to, but it works for me. Moving on, I am going to be using that same palette and then using that gold Chaga. I'm going to grab, I want like a smaller brush, something like this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it with some setting spray. I want to get it nice and moist, and I'm going to grab some of that gold, add that to my inner eye where I just concealed. So that is what my eyeshadow looks like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. You can totally spray it as well. I honestly just love spraying it because it makes it way more pigmented, especially when it comes to like the sparkles. You can just like see the shine just a tad more. Alright, so now that I added the gold to both eyes, I'm gonna go back to those same two colors, the green, the blue, and I think I might add some of this brown as well. We'll see. But for now, I'm just gonna mix those two again and start adding it to my outer corner of my eye. This is what it looks like. All right guys, so going in with that brown that I told you guys I might add, I think I am going to just add a little bit just to darken. Yes, definitely, a million times yes. I'm so happy I decided to add the brown. So I'm just gonna let it do its thing for 1 second and I'm going to add. So grabbing a brush, a little tiny brush like that, going in with that same color Ashanti, and going to add that to my waterline. Cute. Next, I'm gonna be going in with this NYX eye pencil, and this is in the color Emerald City, and I'm just gonna add that to my actual waterline. Alright, so I added that. My eyes look so dark. I think for lashes today, I am going to be wearing these Ardell 152s. They spoke to me. I love the ones that are like 3D. I'm gonna go ahead and add those lashes. I will see you guys in just a second. I am basically done with my eyes. This is how I got the look. I just need to add some mascara to my bottom lash line. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do for lips, honestly. Like, I don't know what to match this look with. I usually add mascara to my falsies, but honestly I feel like these falsies are so intense that they don't even need mascara. So I ended up going with this Morphe liquid matte lipstick in the color Nibble. I really like the red. I think it really brings out the holiday spirit, which is what I was really trying to do. But yeah, this was the look, guys. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I don't ever really like mess around with colors like this. So for a first timer doing mixing green and gold and red together, and blue, that was pretty intense. I'm super happy with the outcome. I hope you guys like this look as well. It was so much fun filming. If you guys like this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already. I really hope this video has inspired any of you guys out there, since we are 10 days away from Christmas, which is just insane. I haven't even started Christmas shopping yet. Catch you guys next time. Bye.